Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to upload high quality video on your WhatsApp. If you want to upload the high quality videos, then first of all, go to the App Store and search for WhatsApp and make sure that it is updated. If it is not, then click on the update to do update now. Go to your WhatsApp and hit on the settings. Then from there choose storage and data. And then if you have media upload quality option here, which is not available in my region for now, click on that and choose best quality. This is the way you can upload high quality video on your WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.